In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create muzzle flashes, very realistic muzzle flashes, using Vegas Pro 15. If you don't have access to muzzle flashes, all you have to do is to go on YouTube and do a search for muzzle flashes, but make sure you get them on a black background, because that's the only way they're going to work, on a black background. My gun I'm using, I printed it off of a picture and cut it out with a pair of scissors, which is a piece of paper shaped like a gun, because I don't have a real gun. So let's begin. Let's insert video track, and number 18 is what I want. Actually, before we do that, let's get this all set up so we can just drag the muzzle flash right onto the timeline using markers. So let's watch when the first gun shoots. Hit M. Play it. Hit M. Come on. Hit M. Hit M. Okay, so the muzzle flash we're going to use is number 18. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Drag to the first marker. Let's go to track motion. First of all, put your cursor on it so you can see what we're doing. And go to compositing mode. Select add. Okay. Let's rotate this. Front of the gun. There, it's good. Let's copy it. Paste it. Paste it. Paste it. Step back now. Okay, I just add a sound effect now. We're almost done. So final look. Timing is off, just slightly, a little wee bit, just slightly off. But you can take your time and refine it to get it to perfectly line up with flash and the gun kicking back perfectly. This is just for demonstration purposes. So anyways, that's how to create muzzle flashes. It's very easy to do. Once again, if you don't have muzzle flashes, just go to YouTube, search for muzzle flashes, and there's lots on YouTube, but make sure they have black backgrounds. So when you go to compositing mode, it's like add. They'll be added to your they'll show up properly on the timeline. So that's basically it. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.